All right, here is a National NC-300, and here's the repaired antenna coil where I've put on a primary and secondary, which you've seen in the previous videos, and it looks like it works. So again, that was a combination of measuring the wire lengths correct on what was on there and using this 30 gauge wire and simply replicating what was there, and it looks like it works. I used nail polish to hold it in place, and it's working. So my antenna trimmer on this radio is somewhat shorted out because the previous owner bashed it around, but it does have antenna trim now at 80 meters, which is a great thing. So the gaps in the middle are where I got to pull the trimmer back off and fix it, but basically it works like it should. I just got to fix the antenna trimmer. So yeah, it turned out. I got lucky. So much for that. Now it's time to fix the antenna trimmer, but I can try 80 meters tonight and see how well I can pull in stations, but it looks like it's fixed. That was sort of a nightmare because I put the windings on the wrong side of the coil, and when I turned this wire here, it kind of came out of the form, and so it's in there just by friction, by the wires being bent. So, but the thing's in there. I don't plan to touch it or move it, so it's working. Yeah, you can see the meter peak here. Maybe, maybe not. That's pretty good. Okay, well, that's my little demo. Again, the antenna coil is repairable and rewindable. Look at my previous videos, and that will give you a clue. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.